Hey guys, this is my final look after styling my TWA. If you guys want to know how I got this look, continue watching. Also, I have a question for you guys. I'm considering going like platinum blonde white. What do you think? Will I look good? The good thing about that is if I go blonde, like I could go whatever color I wanted afterwards. And I'm thinking my hair's short, so if I damage it, I'll just cut it again. Cause I look good. Let me know what you think. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how I style my TWA hair. I've had it this short for about a month and a half now. I just got out the shower and I am going to begin. First, I'm going to start by pinning this top part of my hair up. Just so I can focus on the sides. And kind of pull the short pieces out. So I can focus on those. Kind of run my finger through it. My hair is at the length now where all I really have to do is put product on it and it will curl up. Well, the short part anyway. So what I'm putting on my hair right now in this bottle is a mix of Shea coconut oil. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit of, sorry, I've squeezed the heck out of this so it's a little messed up, but the Curl and Style milk. And then just water. And so I usually put this on my hair first, just to go ahead and like wake my curls up. Makes it a lot easier to curl. Okay, so now that it's all wet, this is literally all I do and it's the easiest thing. So I have the Eco Style gel. I love this stuff, seriously. Like, I watched a lot of tutorials when I first like cut my hair off and almost all of them had this product in there. So I think it's a great product to try out. Okay, so I just got a good amount of gel and I'm running it through my hair. It's like I'm almost making it flat, but you'll see what happens in a second. It won't stay down. Like my hair, I try to do one of those like swoop things where you like swoop all your hair down and my hair will not stay no matter like what I do. Like I put edge control. I mean, if you guys have any idea from like my hair type, my thick hair type, what I can do to keep my hair down, I would love to hear it. But literally this is all I do. I know that probably looks horrible, but I just do that. And do the other side. This is gonna be a pretty quick, well actually, hopefully it's a quick video. This side part is the easy part, the middle part is what makes your arms hurt. Okay. So I just do that, because what ends up happening if you just watch is my hair ends up standing back up again. So you'll see. I'll honestly just leave it like that for now and you'll see what happens. So the way I cut my hair is I did the middle part longer than the edge part because I just kind of liked the way that looked with the shape of my face. And since I did cut my hair myself, that was the easiest thing to do rather than trying to do some fancy style. Okay, so you can see how long that is. And it's a little curly, but it's frizzy and it's not the way I want it. So what I'll usually do is I'll put this up in a ponytail, but like a looser one. Just wrap it like twice and you'll see hair starts falling off. Hair starts falling out. So I already ran this through the top part of my hair. But what I will do is I'll put some in there just to make sure I'm getting everything. And then I'll pour some on my hands. I need to get some more of this, like I'm running out. This stuff is amazing too. Hi, I'm doing my hair video and I was banging in a guy downstairs. He thought I was trying to bang at him or something, but I wasn't. He like stopped me. He was like, hi. Okay, so literally I just put a little on my hands. I cut my hand the other day. Oh, it hurt so bad. I went on a hike and like I hiked up a mountain the other day and we were in a hot springs and I was trying to get out and I almost fell. So I put a little bit on my hands and I get a little bit of the Eco Styler, just a little bit, and I kind of pull out these main pieces and rub some product in there. So see that? And then what I'll do, just to make it easy, I'll hold a piece up with my hand and I literally just twirl. Don't worry about the white stuff in my hair. The product, once it dries, that white stuff usually goes away, and if it doesn't, I'll put a little water on it and it'll go away. And I have that one piece that's longer than all of them, but I think it's cute, so. And I literally do this throughout my entire hair. Not my entire hair, but the main middle part. And this is the longest part of doing my hair. And honestly, like, I thought whenever I cut my hair off, it was gonna be easier to do. But like when I had my hair longer, I could just throw it in a ponytail, you know? And I just continue doing this throughout the way. But now that I have short hair, there's not many styles I can do. Honestly, this is the only style that I do because sometimes I'll wrap it up and do like a little headpiece with it. But not that often. But I just do this, and like my arm muscles are getting stronger and stronger because this bad boy is a struggle. So like I don't take piece, I might take a piece like that big and just wrap it, and it's just a fast routine. And then sometimes when I get towards the middle, I might take a piece that's a little bit bigger, but you don't want to do them too big because then it doesn't curl as good when you do the pieces too big. Okay, now I'm just gonna do this through the rest of my head.
Rouge.co.uk.
And if you start realizing it's not curling, just grab some more Eco Styler. So now the curls are really tight. Now I'm just gonna go back to these side ones, and I literally just kind of do little circles with my hair and it curls it up. And right now it looks like it's kind of white in the back. I can't see the back obviously, but what I'll usually do is I'll go ask my roommate Sarah, I'm like, can you look at the back of my head? Like, does it look okay? She'll tell me if it's too white or if I need to add more product. Okay, so to finish it off, I just grabbed some of my edge control, olive oil edge control, yeah, and a toothbrush that I do not use on my mouth, okay? Get a little bit of that on the edges. Now, I am not an expert whatsoever when it comes to edges. Like, I struggle so bad with doing my edges. Like, I had longer hair, I never did my edges, and sometimes I don't even do my edges now that my hair is my hair's short. But literally, okay, so you know some people do, like, they do swoop this way and then they do one that way. If I'm really in the mood, I'll do that. I might just, you know, do it like that, just do a small one and kind of just let this down to curl, and it'll just curl up, which looks fine. Get some more edge control. I just do this so it's not like poofy around my hair. But do you guys have any advice on like what you guys think I should do with my hair? This is literally the only style I do, so it'd be nice to get some other ideas. I just gotta brush that bad boy. I'm not fancy with it at all. I might brush the back like that, but I really don't. Whatever I feel like doing. And guys, that's it. So when I first do my hair, of course the curls are really tight like this. As I go throughout the day and they dry up, you'll see it'll be more, the curls will be more loose, so a little bit frizzier, a little bit bigger. If you want yours to be bigger, you can do that. I'm honestly fine with mine being just about like this, and you're good to go. So that's how I style my TWA short curly hair. I hope that helped you guys. And honestly, like, the only products you need if you're doing TWA, like, you don't have to go out and buy a lot of products. Get this Eco Style gel. Get this Curl and Style milk. Curl and Style milk, yeah. And I just get some type of coconut oil. I got this one, but I also have a more natural one in there as well. And the spray bottle just helps. And I also put some essential oils in here sometimes just because essential oils are good for you. So there you go. Let me brush my eyebrows down. Ready for the day, baby. Mwah. If you guys have not already subscribed, subscribe, right? Actually, don't push this. Push the button below the video. Yeah. Subscribe and watch my other videos. I just did a 10-day fast. Well, watch the video and you'll see what happened. And then also have 5 things every girl should know. How to be more confident, loving yourself. Let me know what other videos you would like to hear from me. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below what you think.